Herder's philosophy of history and national identity. Johann Gottfried Herder was a trailblazer in the philosophy of history and the idea of national identity. His views stood in stark contrast to the dominant Enlightenment narratives, which often portrayed history as a linear progression toward universal reason and progress. Herder rejected this Eurocentric and universalist perspective, offering instead a vision of history as a mosaic of diverse cultures and experiences. This approach revolutionized the understanding of historical development and laid the foundation for modern historiography. Herder's philosophy of history was deeply rooted in his organic view of human societies. He likened nations and cultures to living organisms, each with its distinct life cycle, growth patterns, and internal principles. Just as a tree grows in harmony with its environment, Herder believed that societies develop according to their unique circumstances, including geography, climate, and historical context. This organic metaphor challenged the mechanistic theories of history prevalent in his time, which often sought to impose a single, universal model of development. Central to Herder's thought was the concept of the folk, or the people. He argued that the driving force behind historical development is the collective spirit of a people, which he termed the Volksgeist. This spirit, expressed through language, traditions, and shared values, is the essence of a nation's identity. Herder believed that understanding the Volksgeist was key to understanding history, as it reveals the unique motivations and aspirations of a culture. Herder's emphasis on the Volksgeist had profound implications for the study of history and culture. It inspired the Romantic nationalist movements of the 19th century, which sought to celebrate and preserve the unique identities of different nations. However, Herder's nationalism was not exclusionary or chauvinistic. He envisioned a world where diverse nations could coexist harmoniously, each contributing to a shared human legacy. His philosophy emphasized the importance of empathy and mutual respect, urging individuals to appreciate the richness of other cultures. Another critical aspect of Herder's philosophy of history was his rejection of teleological narratives. He argued that history is not a march toward a predetermined goal but a dynamic process shaped by the interplay of countless factors. For Herder, every historical period and culture has intrinsic value, contributing to the broader tapestry of human experience. This perspective was revolutionary, challenging the Enlightenment's assumption that history could be judged by a single standard of progress. Herder also advocated for a contextual approach to historiography. He argued that historians must strive to understand the perspectives and motivations of the people they study, rather than imposing contemporary values and judgments on the past. This emphasis on contextual analysis anticipated modern methods of historical inquiry, which seek to reconstruct the past on its terms. While Herder's ideas about national identity have been appropriated for both progressive and nationalist agendas, his original vision was one of inclusivity and cultural pluralism. He believed that the diversity of human cultures is a testament to humanity's creativity and resilience. His work continues to resonate in contemporary debates about cultural heritage, globalization, and the politics of identity. In conclusion, Johann Gottfried Herder's philosophy of history and national identity challenged the dominant paradigms of his time, offering a more nuanced and empathetic understanding of human development. His emphasis on the uniqueness of each culture and the importance of historical context remains relevant today, inspiring scholars and thinkers to appreciate the complexity and richness of the human experience. Through his work, Herder left a lasting legacy as a champion of cultural diversity and historical understanding.